Alpha males and menopause treatment, pretty much the same thing happened. Welcome back to Yay Menopause, where we powerfully navigate the challenges and incredible superpowers of this 40% of a woman's life. So first let's talk about alpha males, and you'll see it's pretty much the same. So what happened with alpha males is there was this research done on wolves where they had wolves and they saw, look, there's an alpha male, there is an aggressive male freaking out and controlling everyone else. So this guy's talking about his research, and pop culture is like, we love this, it confirms what we want to believe, that we should all be ruled by really unhinged aggressive men. And then the guy did more research and he's like, hold on, there's no such thing as alpha males. Wolves actually don't do this behavior at all. It's because we put the wolves in captivity and really stress them out. And then there are these alpha males that started appearing, as in like men were freaking out because they were stressed out and it was bad for everybody. And he tried so hard. Like he spent the rest of his life like going around to all of these, magazines or publications that have been like, the alpha male is the thing and humans are the same as the wolves. And nobody would listen to him when he tried to correct himself because culture was loving this idea of the alpha male. So let's talk about what happened with menopause treatment. So hormone replacement therapy, which can be very supportive of women going through their menopause years because it helps with hot flashes and brain fog and all sorts of other symptoms that can happen while we go through this second or perhaps third puberty. Yet there was a completely irrelevant study done with hormone replacement therapy. So what happens in perimenopause is there's a lot of change in your hormones and there's a lot of change in your brain. And so you start getting these symptoms where if you take hormone replacement therapy, then it can really help. And there are other ways to help that as well. But that only happens for a period of time. And then in your postmenopausal years, then your hormones figure themselves out and you don't have those symptoms anymore. As in you wouldn't be taking hormone replacement therapy when you're not having symptoms anymore. So this study, and it was only one study, they took much older women, postmenopausal, weren't having any menopause symptoms, and women in really poor health. And they were like, let's give these ladies some hormones and see what happens. Well, really bad things happened. In fact, they got so much worse that they had to stop the study. It was one incomplete study done on a population of women that wouldn't be taking hormone replacement therapy like women do for menopause symptoms. And like the alpha wolves, this information got into popular culture and they're like, hormones are crazy and dangerous. Because if there's one thing our culture cannot handle, it's women's hormones. It went so far that they put a black box warning on hormone replacement therapy. Like, this can cause all sorts of scary things and you need to be really scared of it. So there have been generations of women that are at the height of the success of their career and these amazing things happening in life that are having to navigate these really difficult and disruptive symptoms at the same time where there is treatment that could absolutely turn that around, but they were scared of it. And so were their doctors. Only 7% of physicians say that they feel equipped at all to help women in menopause years, which is 40% of their life. And like the alpha male conclusion, even when they redid the studies and they had better information, everyone's like, no, we really like to believe that we shouldn't give women what they need. So even though hormone replacement therapy has been shown to be an incredible treatment and extremely safe, especially in much higher levels than the minuscule levels that doctors often prescribe because they're like, I don't know, this is scary, let's just give you a little. There are still so many women going without it, women that really need it, and it would improve their lives so much because of this one ridiculous study that had nothing to do with them and their circumstance. The black box warning was just taken, it was a year ago. It was very recently. And there are so many ways to feel incredible through this stage of life, and that includes hormone replacement therapy.